एंगर हर चीज के लिए गुस्से में आते हैं, बच्चों के ऊपर, उसकी बीवी के ऊपर और किसी के ऊपर गुस्से में आते हैं। एंगर इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू बी कंट्रोल। That is then loba, greed. Now we are old, we have spent everything. Now you should spend your money. And Krishna says, yajna, dan, tap, must do things. These karmas you have to do until your death. Yajna, dan, tap. तो यज्ञ करो, दान करो, तप करो, but दान, don't be a miser. Don't be a miser, spend. Okay? Then, our Dr. Ravinder Garu has already told us how to be physically fit. And our Vishwanath Garu, 25 years laughing yoga is. So these are all meant for the body. Then but what about मन? मन चंचल है. मन को भगवान के उसमें रखना है, तो क्या करना है? श्रवणम कीर्तनम स्मरणम। ये कलयुग में ओनली जो नाम जपना है, दैट इज द ओनली साल्वेशन। नो यज्ञ, नो दिस थिंग, व्हाट इज
कलयुग केवल नाम आधारा,
तपस्या।
उतरेगा। कलयुग केवल नाम आधारा, सुमिर सुमिर नर उतर ही पारा।
यस, कृष्णकांत जी बोल रहे, सो ओनली कलयुग में नाम जपना है। उसके अच्छा, नाम जपने से आप मनुष्य को, मन को शांति मिलता है। सो इसलिए आप अगर पढ़ नहीं सकते बिकॉज ऑफ ओल्ड एज, you listen to pravachans, listen this thing. So you have got 24 hours of time, 24 hours of time. You are not doing any job. What you are doing? Just sleeping, eating, sleeping, eating, sleeping, and scolding, this one is वो नहीं करना. You divide that 24 hours time for exercises, then walking, and that laughing yoga, then eat well, good food, then you devote some time for the adhyatmika, that is मन. मन को क्या करना है? Dr. Saab has told about the physical body, but what about मन? अच्छा, then you are doing karmas, you do all satkarmas now. There is a balance sheet of karmas which we carry when we die. Our atma will take the list of karmas. Chitragupta, what we call na, so Karana Sharira will be carrying the balance sheet of karmas. Good and bad karma, sanchit karma, that is the karma. Then you will get some prarabdha karma. Then you have got free will also. Free will means you can do good things so that offset your prarabdha results. And prayer. You have to do prayer. Then that will reduce your bad karma's effect. Suppose बड़ा एक्सीडेंट होने का छोटा एक्सीडेंट में आप बच जाते हैं. So that is prayers is has to be there, and स्मरणम, कीर्तनम जो भी है करना है, उसको छोड़ना नहीं है. Because why this ISKCON people they do माला जपते हैं क्यों? Why? They are not fools. They are not पागल नहीं है उनके. The thing is, by doing that continuously throughout your life, even at the death, time of death, if you are in coma, your subconscious mind will be reciting the Bhagwan's name. That is the idea. They are not fools to recite Bhagwan's name like that. अरे वो पागल है, वो माला जपते बैठता है, वो नहीं है, पागल नहीं है, हम पागल हैं. समझे? आप जब करते रहो, आप जब मरते हैं, अच्छा, when you want to leave this world, you live with happily. Now I say, my God, I have completed all my responsibilities. I am waiting for your call. Whenever you call me, I am ready to come. Yes. अभी निरंजन जी बोल रहे थे डॉक्टर साहब को, अरे हम तो 65 से ज़्यादा है, हम क्या करना है? आप ध्यान करो, भजन करो और कीर्तन करो, मन को शांत रखो, गुस्सा मत करो. अच्छा, बीवी को फ्रीडम दे दो, उनका जब उनको करने दो, आपका जब आप करो. हाँ, डोंट गिव, हाँ वो तो है, I don't know.
हस्बैंड को भी जो करना चाहे करने दो।
हाँ, हस्बैंड भी जो करना है करने दो, नो टांग लगाना नहीं। ये ओल्ड एज में नो टेंशन फुल पेंशन। I practice it in my life. No tension, full pension. Even now also I practice it. क्यों टेंशन लेने के? जो भी पैसा खर्चा करो, आप खाओ पियो, भगवान की याद करो। हाँ? अच्छा, संकर्मा करो, निष्काम भक्ति करो, and increase the balance sheet of good karmas. Because if you increase the balance sheet, good karmas, you will go to Swarga, then Moksha, all those things are there. If you are having bad karmas, you go to Naraka. Then if you equal it, then you go to Samyonis. And you be sattvic. Don't be rajasic and tamasic. Tamasic बोल तो खाओ पियो सो। राजसिक बोल जिसको बोलो बात करते रहो, टू एम्बिशियस टू दिस थिंग, वैसे मत करो। सात्विक बनो, अच्छा जीवन जियो, निष्काम कर्म करो, और डेली जो कर्म करते हैं उसका फल भी आप भगवान को अर्पण करो। डेली भगवान मैं आज ये कर्म किया, उसका फल आपको मैं अर्पण कर रहा हूँ। सर्वम कृष्णार्पणमस्तु, ओम तत्सत, सर्वम कृष्णार्पणमस्तु। यू डू दैट, व्हाटएवर मे बी द रिजल्ट, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट द रिजल्ट। कर्म करने का है जो करो। Then healthy living, already our doctors have told us, and our Vishnu Shakti Garu, our Krishnamurti Garu and team, they are doing, and you spend time with your friends and who have got equal wavelength, then you spend and enjoy, and we are doing, already we are doing, but you also devote for the devotional. That is must. Then live the world happily and peacefully. This is the main this thing. I didn't want to tell all these things because already we are old. Nothing will happen, but this is the old age what we have to do, that I have told. So please. Yeah, smiling is important. Always smile. इसलिए विश्वनाथ शेट्टी जी, we don't have any complaint. Smile. I appreciate Gayatri Mataji and Vishwanath Shetty ji. They are very dedicated to this laughing yoga. And whether one person comes or 5% comes, whether it is storming or raining or anything in the house also, he will do yoga and put the video. That is the commitment. And Krishnamurti Garu, this thing also, they are doing, they have got commitment. So many people are coming from India, so many. How to manage? What single program we are unable to manage? He manages, he plays bingo games twice in a week, online bingo games. Then this Children's Day, and taking to other picnics and other things. And he motivates, even if you meet him in the temple, Hare, you come, and there is a program in our district, why don't you come and it is the. So that should be there. So thank you very much. I too met him Balaji Temple.
Thank you very much, sir. So before leaving to Austin, Jairaju sir created one more WhatsApp group for Harvest Park members. Say 34 members were there.
34. In our area, New Park
area only.
So I am leaving to Texas on 23rd. From there I will go to Hyderabad. So thank you very much for your company. I love Portland. So I am very eager to come. Whenever I talk to Krishnamurti Garu, I am very eager to come to Portland and spend with you all. So that is very.
You will come to Hyderabad.
Yes. No, Krishnamurti Garu came to Hyderabad. We were together.
Jairaj took us a ride in his car to the temples.
Okay, thank you very much.